Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I know exactly what is in this package because I ordered it for myself, and actually something that I'm hoping will become a regular showing on this channel, I guess. This purchase was made possible by my generous patrons. Thank you so much for supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and some other benefits, there is, of course, a link down in the description. Your support would mean the world to me. It's pretty rare that I use Patreon funds to purchase items. You know, if it becomes like a main staple in the channel, something I'm going to use, something that's beneficial, you know, that creates a good visual for everybody, right? Then, yeah, then it makes sense. So I absolutely thank my generous patrons for making that possible. I've known about these for a little bit. I looked at it and I thought, yeah, I think I want that. I think that's pretty cool, right? Also be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. We're a tad bright today. Tad bright. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and get into this. I purchased this at GP Knives. There will be a link for this right down in the description. And I don't know if these will always be available. I think they've been available for a while, and I imagine it's a type of item that is periodically available. So I will include it in my description from this point forward. One moment here. Let's get this back. Okay, yeah, there we go. Okay, so here's the actual item. Let's get this. How do we? There we go. So this is a bit driver by Scout that is in titanium. We're actually going to bring the brightness down just a little bit more to make it. So this is yeah. So what this does is it drives bits, right? It's a magnetic bit driver, like the one that I always talk about in my description. That's very inexpensive but very, very recommendable, and that will stay there. But this has the bearing and the turning, so you can sort of like palm it and turn this without the back end turning and creating friction against your palm. Is it absolutely necessary? No, but it is cool. And me being somebody who has this odd fascination with titanium, so we bit head right there, and it is, as you can see there, magnetic. That's nice. Very cool. I have this odd fascination with titanium, and this has been knurled and milled a little bit, and yeah, it's nice. Now, these are kind of expensive. In fact, they're very expensive for bit drivers. I think I picked this up for $85, and I know a lot of you right off the bat are thinking, $85 for a bit driver? Who would ever pay? Yeah, welcome to the most common phrase. Look down in my comment section on any video. There's at least one person saying that. Yeah, this is the part of the enthusiast knife world where there are definitely a lot of people interested in odd little items like this. Do I think that this item is going to gain me some sort of utilitarian benefit over this guy? No, not at all. But it sure is cool. I really like how it looks. I really like, you know, this area back here, how it's made and how it kind of turns freely. Yeah, it's nice, and it'll create, you know, just another little interesting thing that, you know, some of you might find interesting, some possibly not. There you go. Scout Leather Co. Hex Bit Driver Limited Titanium. So this version of it apparently is a limited version. But they have brass, they have copper, they have one in zirconium. I think the brass and copper ones run a little bit less. I think they're like 65. They work. I mean, it takes the 1/4 inch WIA bit. So if you've got something like this from my description or somewhere else, right, or whatever your 1/4 inch bits are, then this is something that you might find, I'm not going to say overly beneficial versus your other drivers, right? But pretty cool. I do like this. I like that back end stays, you know, firm against the palm of my hand, and I can turn it without creating friction. I kind of like that, right? Allows you to really control the amount of torque that you're applying to the item, right? Whether you want to really crank on it or you just want to do just a little bit of a turn. I think that's neat. This isn't, I mean, these I think are pretty popular. There are a lot of like interesting bit drivers on, well, for example, on GP Knives, there's a couple of different ones, but this is the one that aesthetically appealed to me the most. And it does appear to be made well. Here's the other cool thing. And if I'm not mistaken, GP Knives, I have an affiliate program with them, by the way. So the link that you see down in the description that says shop at GP Knives, if you use that, it does directly benefit my channel. So if you like GP Knives or if you've never heard of them, then yeah, feel free to use that link. I would appreciate it. These are made in the United States, as far as I'm aware. So that's cool. So you know, if you want to support American manufacturing, you're looking for a nice bit driver that's made well and is made out of, you know, materials that a lot of people find interesting in today's enthusiast EDC and knife world, right? This is cool. This is, I mean, it's definitely made well. I like that my bits fit and come in and out, you know, easily. There's no issue there. I do appreciate also that it's magnetic. I think I've said that before, but yeah, I like that. So this is cool. Yeah, and you'll probably see me using this more often from this point forward. A lot of my content is pre-recorded though. It depends on scheduling, so it may start to appear over the next couple of weeks of content. But yeah, I'm excited about this. That's really neat. I also kind of like that it stands up like that. This one will kind of do that, but it tips over. And I mean, it'll stand up, but it'll kind of tip over. But this one stands up more easily. And then over here, like just off screen, is an absolute mess of tools and things. The knives and things that come in for review, very sorted, very clean. My work table is a mess. So I do appreciate that I can just stand that up and it will, you know, save a little bit of space. That's something that I appreciate. Anyways, guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it for today's short little unboxing. If you want to pick this up, there will be links for this and all of the variants down in the description, so you can pick that up for yourself if you want to. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives and EDC gear that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check that out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.